Okay, so with very little fuss at all, I was able to find the queen. She was in one of the top supers, so I'm a novice, so I'm not really sure what to do there. So I've left 2 supers on. What I did do was I found her and I marked her, and I made her a little yellow spot on her, so I know where she is. As you can see from here, this is where I've capped it off. So these 2 supers are being used. This one's got a sugar solution in, just to help them build up the colony if they want to. And this one's closed down to here, and I'm just about to spray some scent on the front of this one to see if I can attract a swarm in. If not, then obviously I'll be looking at splitting, doing a sort of a walkaway split later on. I think that's the right term. Excuse me if any of my terms aren't correct. Yeah, so it was just so easy. Literally, just can't believe how easy that was, and how you can keep the bees under control without stressing them out too much at every stage. When I removed the supers, what I did was I took these ones off and I just put them straight on top of that one, so they was blocked at the bottom, left the tops on them so the bees were contained for a little short while I did the inspection, and yeah, everybody seems to be happy. Alright.